Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all a summer special fat loss diet plan that can help you lose 7 kgs in 7 days very easily. Now recently, lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a great transformation happening for themselves. And so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena and begin the journey. And in few days, you'll thank yourself that you started today. Now let's proceed towards our summer special fat loss diet plan to help you lose 7 kgs in 7 days very easily. Starting with the early morning drink. The first recipe for my early morning drink for you will be fat cutter drink. For fat cutter drink, all I've done here is in 1 glass of water, I'm boiling some freshly grated ginger. To this, I'll be adding crushed cloves that is long and some black pepper. And to this, then I'll be adding approximately 1 teaspoon of jeera, letting it boil for 2 to 3 minutes and then straining it to a glass where I've added half a lemon squeezed. And this is your fat cutter drink. Now, jeera, long, black pepper, and at the same time ginger help in improving your metabolism and at the same time lower your belly fat levels as well. The visceral fat is definitely decreased with the amount of fat burning process these herbs are gonna create in your body. Proceeding towards our second option for early morning drink is coriander seeds water. Now all I've done here is I've added 1.5 cups of water approximately to one pan, letting it boil for 2 minutes and then I'm adding here coriander seeds. Now this is approximately 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, letting it boil for 2 to 3 minutes and having it sip by sip empty stomach. Now this basically helps to, of course, treat your thyroid levels. PCOD, PCOS and diabetic patients should definitely consume this water to help them with their blood sugar levels and also to improve their metabolism. Proceeding towards our breakfast options for summer special fat loss diet plan. The first option is gonna be cold coffee with added soaked chia seeds, and along with that we'll be having 10 soaked almonds. Now why cold coffee in the breakfast itself? Because of course it's summer season and you can definitely enjoy your cold coffees in the summer season a lot. So here is a healthy alternative of it, adding chia seeds to it and no sugar to be added of any kind. You can definitely add almond milk or low-fat skim milk while preparing the cold coffee. Second option for your breakfast will be pineapple or anar raita. Now it's simple to prepare pineapple or anar raita. All you have to do is simply add 1 cup of either chopped pineapple or deseeded anar, that is pomegranate seeds, to approximately 150 ml of Greek yogurt or homemade curd. Mix it well and have it for your breakfast. Consuming this combination of probiotics and fruits in the morning itself helps you to stay energetic for the entire day and also will avoid your hunger pangs throughout the day. And the last option is for all my vegetarian friends out there. If you're trying to lose your fat and at the same time get your protein intake up, you should definitely have 2 to 3 boiled egg whites, or you can even prepare a veggie omelette out of it. You can add lots and lots of vegetables of your own choice like bell peppers, mushrooms, spinach, whatever is available with you seasonally, and prepare a good full omelette of 3 egg whites, or you can have 3 boiled egg whites as well. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack, for which of course it's summer season and definitely everybody loves to have some lassi or chas. Here is the complete recipe of my mint lassi, super easy to prepare and very refreshing as well. And now let's proceed towards our second option for mid-evening snack. If you cannot have lassi because of any reason, you can definitely go for coconut water, only if it's freshly available with you. Great source of electrolytes and at the same time keeps you hydrated for a longer time of the day as well. Great skin and hair benefits along with it are complimentary. Proceeding towards our lunch options for fat loss diet plan. Now the first recipe is gonna be my favorite masala idli, or you can say veggie idli. It's beneficial for all the people out there, adults, kids, and it's a super great source of fiber. Now I am using here Visano's extra virgin olive oil to prepare this recipe. Now it's a cold pressed extra virgin olive oil which is loaded with natural antioxidants and high in vitamin E as well. People suffering from bad cholesterol levels or heart disease should definitely incorporate extra virgin olive oil to their diets, and this is your go-to oil to prepare all the recipes out there like I do. It's high in healthy fats, zero cholesterol, and is definitely made for all of those who love to prepare your curries and your sabzis in a lot of oil. So definitely replace your butter or ghee with this option like I am doing. Now I'm preparing veggie masala idli with this olive oil and trust me, the taste is amazing, as you can definitely add a little more to your veggies as it's a healthy alternative. And then to this I'm adding rye, curry patta, green chilies and onions to saute. Letting it saute for 2 to 3 minutes and then I'm adding lots of veggies of my own choice to this. Now I'm adding here bell peppers, capsicum, carrot. You can add whatever is seasonally available with you. Letting it saute for 4 to 5 minutes and then I'm adding here some salt and some black pepper powder for seasoning. I avoid any kind of different masalas to my veggies so that the natural flavor of the veggies is intact in it. Now I'm adding to this my idlis prepared already to this. I've chopped them in 4 pieces, letting it saute for 4 to 5 minutes again, and then your delicious masala idli is ready. But make sure to give a hint of Desano's extra virgin olive oil over it for the extra flavor and deliciousness. I usually like to prepare all my curries and sabzis in olive oil itself, like I'm doing with this tadka. So it's a much safer option to prepare your tadkas and your curries and your sabzis in extra virgin olive oil to help you with your skin benefits, your hair benefits, your health benefits, and lower your cholesterol levels all the time. And now let's proceed towards our second option for lunch. You can have one oats roti or multigrain roti or ragi roti with rajma, chana or soya chunk sabzi. Along with that, you can have one good foul bowl of salad and curd. Now, why rajma or chana? It's a good source of fiber, nutrients, and it's rich in plant protein, and definitely great for digestion as well, and promotes any kind of brain health and keeps you fuller for the longer time of the day as well. Now let's proceed towards our third option for fat loss lunch. 200 grams of chicken or fish curry along with 100 grams of cooked brown rice and plus lots of salad. Now it's for all the rice lovers out there who love to have rice for their lunch. You can always incorporate some chicken and fish curry along with your rice, or you can even have some rajma and chana as you like to have, and do not forget to incorporate lots of salad along with it. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snacks for fat loss diet plan. First option is you can have roasted makhanas. Approximately 20 grams of roasted makhanas are good to go for your mid-evening snack to give that kick to your hunger as well, and along with that you can have tea or coffee as per your own preference, or you can even skip and have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea. And the second option is you can have 30 grams of high protein seed mix to give you good protein content of the day. Proceeding towards our dinner options. The first dinner option is gonna be you can have 3 boiled egg whites salad. Now if you like to have your eggs for your dinner, you can definitely add 3 boiled eggs to your salad, in which you can have 2 egg whites and 1 whole egg to give you good fats also, and at the same time to give you good protein intake also. If you cannot have eggs for your salad, you can always have paneer, 70 grams of it, or you can even have some tandoori chicken as well. Chicken can be, of course, 150 grams of chicken is good to go for your dinner. Second option is you can have oatmeal with fruits. Now I've already shared the recipe of my perfect oatmeal recipe, which you definitely will love in each and every manner. Incorporate lots of fruit options to this, your seeds to this, and you will definitely love having it. You can even have overnight oats, or you can also have some chia pudding. The choice is all yours. 3 options for your healthy dinner are mentioned here. Proceeding towards our next option, that is bedtime drink option, which is very important when it comes to your weight loss journey. 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea can help you lower your cholesterol levels, also to help you with your reducing the stress levels of the entire day. Promotes good sleep, and people suffering from insomnia should definitely try chamomile tea to give them good sleep benefits and also to improve your metabolism as well. Proceeding towards our second option, if you cannot have this, then you can of course have ajwain or jeera tea. Helps you with removing all the water retention of the entire day, bloating of any kind, and swelling as well. And now for personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with addition Sheena and begin the journey. Let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this diet plan, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. If you have any query regarding any of the recipes or meal options, do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, how my clients reduce weight each and every day very easily with homemade kitchen based meal plans, and enjoying all your favorite recipes out there. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram to stay updated for all the upcoming what I eat in a days and how my diet goes each and every day, checking out all the vlogs, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.